Welcome to the Commercial Gas Engineer channel. This is part 2 of being a YouTuber is not a doddle. This is a look from the YouTube studio view. So you can get an app. If you're a YouTuber, you can download an app called YouTube Studio. And this is how it looks. So this is my view. So it shows you, it has the first page called the dashboard. And you go through and it shows you different things on your channel. So it will show you how many comments you have and so on. You can click on these and it shows you the comments. It shows you the average watch time and so on. The click rate is basically the percentage of time somebody clicks onto your video based upon how many times it's been shared with people. So a decent click rate is normally about, I think, 7 to 10% minimum. Anything below that and it's quite a low click rate. So it depends on your thumbnails and so on and if you have clickbait or the theme of your video. So you have arrows up. So for instance here, I've got arrows up on, it will show you the last 28 days and it will show, for instance, an arrow pointing up saying that you have 2,500 more than usual views, for example. It will show you how much watch hours you have in the last 28 days and it will show you subscribers in the last 28 days. You can click on it and change the feature, for instance, and it will show you over the lifetime. So this is the dashboard. Statistics are important when you're a YouTuber because you need to know what your audience want, what is helpful for them, what they want to see more of, how long they're watching a video for, what you need to do different. So analytics can help. So on the dashboard as well, what else can you do? You can go to content and you can go to your videos and scroll through it. It gives you different things such as show me my most viewed videos. You can have a look at playlists to see how your playlists are doing. Over here on the left, it shows you how many times someone has gone in your playlist. And on the right, it shows you how many videos you have in your playlist. On the content page, you can scroll through. It will go through all your videos and you can sort by different categories, as you can see. Then analytics. This one is quite helpful. So it will say, for instance, in the last 28 days, your most watched videos, and this is the average duration that people are watching your videos for. I hear that anything around 50% and above is quite good for a video. So I've got some here which have got above 50%, some that haven't. And it shows you the average duration, the average watch time, and the views in the last 28 days. So it shows me here that you can see my top 3 videos that are here. So some people are really keen on fixing their dishwasher. Some people really want to know what it's like the day in the life of a commercial gas engineer. And some people really want to get their head around commercial purging. And also some people want to make less mistakes as engineers. So I can get a gist of what people like seeing more of. Quite curious as to what it says over a lifetime. So over a lifetime, the stats can change. The entire duration of the channel, it gives me different statistics. So going back, so also it will show you in the last 48 hours what's been happening on your channel. And it will show you in the last 60 minutes what's been happening on your channel. Also comments that you've replied to or not replied to. I tend to aim to reply to most comments made. Earnings, it says, hello commercial gas engineer, become a partner. So how do I go about doing that? So it will say to me what I need to do in order to apply for AdSense. And then once you apply for AdSense, you are able to start earning. They'll give you money once a month. If you reach a certain threshold, I think the threshold is £60. If you reach a £60 threshold, you will get a payment in the next calendar month, something to that effect. So here, for instance, I've met the criteria of having 1,000 subscribers. That's just general. Once you reach 1,000 subscribers, then you've passed that mark. Then they ask you 2 other things. Have you got 10 million short video views? I don't make any short view videos, although some of my videos are quite short. And then here it says, have in the last 365 days. So this one here is a bit of a tricky one. So it's not, have you reached 4,000 public hours since your channel started, which I have, I believe, but in the last 365 days. So this one here will probably take me into about August, September until I reach this mark. So this is based upon hours watched. And then you can apply for AdSense and receive some income from your content. I hope that's explained to you how it works. Although in here as well, there are things that you can do. So for example, I posted this video yesterday. I can click on it and then I can make adjustments here. So instead of me waiting till I get to my laptop to make adjustments, where you can make more adjustments, I can click on analytics for a particular video and find out, for example, how much watch hours this particular video has and where people are viewing it from, how they're finding the video, should I say. Engagement, it gives me comparisons. Another feature that I didn't mention was the audience. And so it tells you returning viewers and new viewers in comparison, unique viewers. And then also it tells you when your audience tend to be online. So it's showing me on a Sunday a lot, especially in the afternoon, there's a lot of the viewers that are online. It also shows me the average age of my audience, although this can be a bit wayward in terms of accuracy because views can also be based upon the person's profile you're on. So if you're watching it on your wife's profile, then for instance, it's going to show her details rather than your details. So this is the average age, 35 to 44 is the most popular, male predominantly. And then where the audience is based, almost 70% in the UK and then a few around the world. And then what language they have the subtitles on if they choose to use subtitles. And then how many of the watch hours you've had, how many of those are from subscribers and not from subscribers. And then this is also interesting, content that your audience watches. So it shows you that your audience are also watching these other channels. Shows you shorts that they're watching and videos that they're watching from other channels. So sometimes I go and have a look to see what people on my channel are going to watch as well. And then also other channels that my audience follow. So it shows you here. And so you can go and find out what other people checking out. There's one that's come on recently called research. Let me see if I can find that for you. Here it is, research. So it says discover more topics. It will show you other topics that people are looking into. And you can also type in what you want to look up. And then it shows you recent videos related to Valent, recent videos related to heat lamp, and then you can get more. And then recent videos related to plumber. So a lot of recent videos related to the topic of plumber. Recent videos related to gas engineer. So you can go and have a look and see other recent videos. So I like that new feature. There's always new things that they're adding on the YouTube studio. So have a look. And what I wanted to show you was how you go about making editing on the videos from YouTube Studio. So the videos that you have, you can click up here, you can share, you can watch the video, or you can edit. So you click edit here, and then you can click on description and then make edits there. You can decide to make your video public or private from here. You can schedule your video as to when you want it to become public. I'm discarding that change there because the video is already public. And then also the audience that you want it suitable for. It's not suitable for kids. And then also playlist, you can add it to a playlist. And then you can also add tags. So there's a certain amount of tags you can add. And then you can also make some other adjustments, and you can also delete on here as well. So I hope that's helped you if you are new to YouTube or already on YouTube and are a content creator. Or if you're not a content creator, it gives you an idea of what YouTubers are doing and how they are editing their videos. On the computer, there are more features that you can make adjustments to and so on. But if you are a content creator, I hope this has helped you with your videos. It's a quick way, a mobile way of making edits to your videos. You can download the app for YouTube Studio. Okay, thank you for joining me. Until next time. Bye.